We're not comfortable.
Abhishek,
We want to
Adi-
come inside.
Abhishek,
I'll have to, but I thought they'd arranged some refreshments
Don't
for you all.
worry, don't worry.
Have you all
Abhishek,
been getting
Adi
some?
ki
Are they
adat
taking care of you all?
Yes,
Yeah?
they are. And
a
tell
bit
us
hot.
what's the reaction inside? You know, are people loving it? Are people whooping in the aisles? Tell
Well,
us
I've
a
never
little
seen
bit.
people clap and whistle in a premiere, so that's a new experience for me. It's so far they look seem like they're having fun.
अभिषेक
What
इंटरवल
about
हो
mom
चुका
and
है
dad and Ash? How are they finding it?
They saw the film last night, but they're just watching it again just now. Yeah.
अभिषेक इंटरवल हो चुका है कैसा रिस्पांस मिला आपको इंटरवल के बाद
So far, it's very positive. People are enjoying themselves. They're eating a lot of popcorn. The kids are enjoying themselves. That's the most important.
अभिषेक एक खबर थी कि आपने करिश्मा और करीना को भी इस
I don't think this is the
प्रीमियर के
thing
लिए
to talk about.
अभिषेक अरे यार बैटिंग के साथ अभिषेक यहाँ पे अभिषेक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर अभिषेक सेंटर
मैं आपके पास आपकी गोद में आके बैठ जाऊँ.
Abhishek, I have one more question.
Yeah.
Sharukh is your premiere, so how does that feel? Like, you know, obviously, you must be feeling very excited.
It feels wonderful. Sharukh is a dear friend. I called him. He was unfortunately busy shooting, but he's left to shooting and he's made time for the premiere and he's brought the entire family. I'm happiest about the fact that Aaryan and Suhana, his kids, have come because this film is for the kids and he promised me he'd bring them, and I'm very touched that he altered his schedule, his very busy schedule, and he's here, and it means a lot to me as a friend that he made the time to come for the premiere.
All right,
It's very
thank
sweet
you.
of him.
All the best.